In the evolving landscape of telemedicine, the TytoCare Home Examination Kit offers a comprehensive solution for conducting detailed medical assessments remotely. This device enables users to perform examinations of the ears, throat, lungs, heart, abdomen, skin, and measure body temperature, facilitating a thorough telehealth experience. The TytoCare device integrates several diagnostic tools into a single handheld unit. Our scope captures high-quality images of the ear canal and tympanic membrane, aiding in the diagnosis of conditions like otitis media. A stethoscope documents heart, lung, and abdominal sounds, allowing for the detection of abnormalities such as murmurs or wheezes. A thermometer is included to provide accurate body temperature measurements, essential for assessing fever. A high-resolution camera documents images of the throat and skin, assisting in identifying infections or dermatological conditions. These components are designed to emulate traditional examination tools, ensuring that remote assessments maintain clinical reliability. A study involving 250 examinations assessed the efficacy of TytoCare's remote auscultation capabilities. 72% of the respondents answered positively when asked whether the telemedicine device provides an adequate solution for the standard physical examination in isolation conditions. The findings demonstrated that remote assessments of heart and lung sounds were comparable to traditional methods, suggesting that TytoCare can serve as an acceptable alternative for auscultation in quarantined COVID-19 patients. The chart describes the preferences of both patients and healthcare providers on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being a preference toward traditional devices and 10 being a preference toward the TytoCare system. The majority of values in categories such as lung sounds, heart rate monitoring, and overall evaluation average at around a 5, which points to the TytoCare system being a usable alternative. TytoCare incorporates built-in training videos and guidance technology to assist users in performing examinations accurately. Designed for ease of use, the device allows individuals with little to no medical background to conduct reliable remote exams. Users begin by connecting the TytoCare device to their smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The accompanying app provides an intuitive interface that guides them through the setup process while ensuring a secure, HIPAA-compliant connection with a healthcare provider. Once the device is set up, users can choose from a menu of available exams, including heart and lung auscultation, throat and ear examinations, and temperature measurement. They can either participate in a live telehealth session where a clinician provides real-time instructions and supervision, or conduct an independent guided exam by following step-by-step video instructions with video playback reviewed by a physician later. Each examination mode is designed to ensure accuracy and ease of use. For heart and lung auscultation, the digital stethoscope attachment is placed on the chest or back at specified locations, listening to sounds that can be transmitted in real time or stored for later review. The digital otoscope allows users to examine the ear canal by capturing high-resolution images and videos, which can assist in diagnosing infections such as otitis media. Similarly, the high-resolution camera feature enables throat examinations by capturing detailed images of the tonsils and throat, aiding in the diagnosis of conditions like strep throat. The same camera can also be used for dermatological assessments, providing close-up images of skin conditions, rashes, or lesions for remote physician evaluation. Additionally, the device includes an infrared thermometer that provides accurate, non-contact temperature readings, reducing contamination risks. Once the guided examination is completed, all collected data such as images, sounds, and videos is securely transmitted through the TytoCare app. During live sessions, healthcare providers can give immediate feedback, while recorded exams are reviewed by a physician, who then sends a diagnostic report, often within hours. Based on the assessment, the user may receive at-home treatment recommendations, prescriptions, or a referral for an in-person consultation if further examination is necessary. For those in rural or remote areas with limited medical facilities, the device provides an essential connection to healthcare professionals. Parents of young children can use it to evaluate common illnesses without unnecessary pediatric visits, and individuals managing chronic diseases such as asthma or heart conditions can use the device for ongoing monitoring. Another study evaluated the use of home-based telemedicine for children with medical complexity using devices like TytoCare. The study found that in-home telehealth devices were usable for this population with acceptable image and sound quality in 98% of visits, indicating the potential to improve care outcomes for children with complex medical needs. The TytoCare Home Examination Kit integrates multiple diagnostic tools into a user-friendly device, enabling comprehensive medical assessments from home. Clinical studies support its efficacy in replicating traditional examinations, and its design facilitates accurate data collection. By placing patient care and ease of access first, TytoCare provides a reliable solution for enhancing remote healthcare services.